Here's how you can trim a video on Clipchamp. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can trim any video on Clipchamp. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and it's a step-by-step method. So let's just jump into it. So first of all, as you can see right over here that I have my Clipchamp app opened, and here right now I will be performing a video trimming act. So what you can do right over here is just go to create a new video. Alright, once you click on it, it will bring you on this it's a video editing interface, and here as you can see you can pretty much edit your videos and stuff like that. So before continuing, I wanted to just show you all that I'm using the Clipchamp app and I'm not using it in a website. So the video might differ because it's very a little different from website. I've seen it on some articles and people say that the app and website has some difference. But yeah, I'm doing this on my app, but let's just check it out on a website just to be on safe side. So I'm just gonna check it out on a website. Let's just go into Brave, and here I've already opened Clipchamp. And here, as you can see, these both look the same. So yeah, no wonder if you use it on a website or in your app, it doesn't matter. So I think it looks the same. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So first, what you have to do is import your video or drag in your video. So how can you do that? There are two methods. But before that, you have to name your video and give it a title. Just give it something like this. Alright, I'm gonna name it Trim. What after naming your video trim, you can do two types of video dragging and drop. What you can do is just drop in your video just like that, and here as you can see, drop media, and you can just drop in your video. And the other one is, let me just show you by confirming it. And here as you can see, I want to upload this video right over here. I will just do that, and here as you can see, it's preparing, and here I got my video. So the second method is just press on import media, and it will bring up the same thing. Just go to where your video files are located and click on the video file. Alright, and here as you can see, our video is here again. So I'm just gonna show you how you can trim it now. So first of all, click on the clip that you want to trim. Alright, I want to trim this one. So what you can do is just drag it straight up, alright, or you can just press plus and it will be on your video editing timeline. So here as you can see, I have the video in my timeline, and I can pretty much walk into it and see what's going on. So here, after that, what you can do is just, there are two options of cutting it. The first option is by pressing S, and here as you can see, the video is basically trimmed from here, and there's a black screen, so you can put in something in between if you want, or you can just make a whole separate. So if you want it to all together, you can just do this, and here your video will be together, and but it will show like it's been trimmed. So I showed you the first option. The second option is just basically click on displacing your this, all right, this thing where you want to cut the timeline. So let's say I want to trim it right from here. I'm just gonna press split, and here as you can see, the video has been splitted again, and I can pretty much put in another video in here. As you can see, another video is here, and it's basically the trimming method. And here as you can see, the other video continued playing, and I can basically do trimming as much as I want. I'm just gonna trim right over here again and do it again. Trim this part from here, and put it right over here. I can do basically unlimited customizations, because it's basically just like that. And here you'll do this video right over here, and you'll grow it back. And here as you can see, it's basically all trimmed up and stuff like that. And finally, in the end, you just press export, doing all your input trimming and stuff like that. Just press export and press on the high quality 1080p. Once you do that, here as you can see, the video is going on. So let's just wait. And here, as you can see, I've basically saved it to my computer, and here's my full video that I trimmed. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you think this tutorial was helpful, maybe a like to this video will be helpful. Until then, goodbye and peace out.